Today, I will show you how to automatically highlight important information, trends, or outliers within a dataset using a conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, here's a table of people who work at a company, showing how many products they have sold and their turnover. Next, click on this G letter in column heading and then go to Styles group in Home tab and then choose Conditional Formatting. As you can see here, there are various options starting from Highlight Sales Rules to Manage Rules. Now, let's check out the Highlight Sales Rules and choose the Greater Than option. You will have this pop up and then let's say we want to highlight the data that is greater than 500 Singapore dollars. And here you can format the text in different colors such as red, green, yellow, and etc. But because we included the dollar symbol in the beginning, the preview doesn't appear, so let's remove the dollar symbol and the preview will show up like this. And because we want to see the data that is greater than 500 Singapore dollars, let's choose green for the color. And after you're done, click on OK. Now your data that are greater than 500 Singapore dollars are highlighted. But here, as we can see, turnover is not a number and it's highlighted. So to delete it, we go to Conditional Formatting again and choose Clear Rules and click Clear Rules from selected cells. And there you have it, your turnover will not be highlighted again. The reason why we don't delete it manually is that because it would remove the Conditional Formatting function. So remember to always delete it in Conditional Formatting instead. Next, let's move on to Date of Entry and repeat the steps like we did earlier. Our data here that we want to highlight are in the form of dates. So in this conditional formatting, we choose this A Date Occurring option. After you click on that, you will have this pop-up and the options from this pop-up are yesterday, today, tomorrow, last 7 days, and etc. And for this data, let's choose last month. And for the highlight colors, let's choose the yellow one. After you're done, click on OK. And there you have it, the date from last month in your data is highlighted. Next, let's move on to the sold stock data. Again, repeat the step like we did earlier, and for the sold stock data, let's choose the top or bottom rules and choose the top 10 items. After you click on that, of course you will have this pop-up. And in this column, let's type the data that ranks in the top 5. You will have the preview of your data like this, and for the color, let's keep it red. After you're done, click on OK. And there you have it, your top 5 sold stock data. Now let's try another option. Let's go back to Conditional Formatting and choose this Color Scales option. And then choose this red, yellow, green color scales. And your smallest data is colored green, while the largest is colored red. You can also combine different types of conditional formatting. For example, if you want your turnover data to have icons, you can go to Conditional Formatting and choose these icon sets, then click on any icons that you desire. And your data will look like this. Now, let's say you want to add bars to your turnover data. Go back to Conditional Formatting and choose these data bars. And for this gradient fill, you can choose any colors that you like, but for this data, let's choose the purple data bar. And as you can see here, the fuller the bar, the higher the data, and vice versa. And there you have bars, icons, and greater than in turnover data. Here's another example. If the data is in the form of dates, not numbers that can be calculated as greater or smaller, then conditional formatting won't detect it. So it will all be the same like this. And that's all about conditional formatting. Don't forget to practice it at home. Give this video likes, comments if you have any questions, and share it with your friends if you find this video helpful. Also, subscribe to this channel for more video tutorial like this. See you in another video.